This is a used 2011 BMW X3, the ultimate driving machine. It's powered by all-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include heated steering wheel, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite radio, digital radio, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, automatic climate control, a navigation system, iPod integration. Safety was made a priority with these features: stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.